That's a great slide, isn't it? I like the it's quite steep at the end there.
I'm not.
Whoa. Oh, I don't think I could fit in these tubes. Well, should we try and get in there?
Yes.
I think Daddy's too big. Oh my god. Where do you go through there? Daddy's too big to fit up here. Well, what's this? Is this a fire engine? Oh, Zack, go in a fire engine. There's a glass floor here. Whoa, let's go in the fire engine. That looks great.
And you can turn them steering wheel. You get out. You get out.
Oh, okay, get out. Where next?
We could go down the slide.
Right, remember, go slow. Zack, wait for me. Zack, wait for me. Zack, wait. Do you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Hold it in front. Instead.
I can use a camera.
Now where? Zack, can you go all the way to the top?
You've got to tell me when you're about to go down.
Oh my god, you came flying out of there. Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on, Zack, you lead the way. Go, go, go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Oh man. How fast can you spin the balloon rides at? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way.
Keep on giving.
It's a green Peppa Pig World up there. for the balloon ride.
How about the curved one? This is
Whoa.
quite
So fast. Look, Zack, we're right behind Grandpa. Oh, here we go. Wow, look at these. These are good, aren't they?
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Why is that one? Why is that one the whistle sign there?
It is, isn't it? It is raining
What
today,
is that
though.
man doing? The back of there.
The back of the boat. There's a little flag on the back.
Why is that man slipped under?
Yeah, here we go. Whoa, we're bouncing up and down.
The ducks. Oh look, why is that here?
Wow, look at the ducks in the water.
Hi, Mummy!
Look at these ducks.
Yeah.
What are they doing? Look.
They're spinning.
Look at the ducks. Do you think the ducks like the ride?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bumpy boat, isn't it?
What's that bumpy boat? Whoa.
It's a bumpy ride. Do you see Mummy?
What's that whistle sign?
Do you see Mummy? There she is. Whoa, look at that ride. That looks good, doesn't it? With the track.
Yeah.
Like the lighthouse. Yeah? Oh, ducks. Look at them.
They're swimming.
They're in the water. It's really funny. Look at the car up there. That looks good, doesn't it? Do you want to go on that ride? Do you want to go on that ride?
Yeah.
Do you feel like Grandpa Pig?
What's that man doing?
Grandpa Pig's boat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Grandpa Pig's boat.
What's How do you pick it up?
Grandpa Pig's boat ride.